back to my channel. Sorry, kakagising ko lang and bigla akong naisipan na mag-bake ng muffin. So, I thought, bakit hindi ko ipakita sa inyo, diba? And share my recipe kasi itong recipe na to, I found it online. Pero nagdagdag ako ng mga konting ingredients and naglagay ng twist sa recipe na to. So, now I will show you how I bake my muffins without using an oven. Kasi here sa nilipatan ko, wala akong oven. Kasi doon sa previous place ko, merong oven. So, bake ako ng cookies and all of that. But here in my new place, I don't have oven. Kaya, I will show you how I make my muffins without oven. So, tara! Let's get started. Okay, to start with, we have 3 main ingredients for this muffin. We have banana, we have egg, we have egg, and we have this oats. So these are the 3 main ingredients for this muffin. Actually, I don't have any measurement for this recipe, but we will get through this. Okay. So first, what I do is put this banana in a blender in my NutriBullet, how do you call this, cup. So we just put the banana like this. Okay. And throw. Next is the egg. So we put the egg. You didn't see that? Okay. So it's here. We put oats. So when I put oats, in-estimate ko lang siya minsan. Oh my gosh, sobrang puno naman nito. Shucks. So 1, 2, we put more. 3, 4, 5. Maybe you will ask me why I put 5. I put 5 because we want the mixture to be thick para mas madali siyang maluto and mas makuha natin yung consistency na gusto natin sa muffin. Next, I put some add-ons. Okay, these are my add-ons. I recycled these containers because I don't want to buy. It's so expensive to buy, and if I move out, I will just throw these containers. So I will open this because this is organic sugar. So we put 2 tablespoons. Yeah, 2 tablespoons. I want my muffin to be sweet, but I'm using organic sugar, so I feel like it's kind of healthy. And we put flax seeds, ground flax seeds. I put like 1 teaspoon. And of course, we put chia seeds. Chia seeds, yeah, like half tablespoon. And we will add more on this mixture because we want this to be as healthy as possible. So I have some blueberries. So we will put these blueberries. This will be blueberry muffin. See, social. I will grab handful of blueberries, and I will wash them first. Okay. We will now close this one. Okay, so we will blend this. It's so nice. I think that's enough. That's enough for blending. Now, we will open this and we'll see if everything is blended. Oh my god, look. It's blue. Now, since I told you I don't have oven here, so we're gonna use an air fryer. If you have air fryer, then you can do this muffin recipe, but if you have oven, then better. I ordered this online and it's really nice and useful and healthy, and whenever I want to fry something, I just use this one, so without oil, or sometimes I just spray. You know, I have this oil spray here. And now let's start putting the muffin mixture in the oven. Not in the oven, in the air fryer. So this is my air fryer. I already preheated the air fryer for 5 minutes. And now, just be careful. We will put the mixture on this one. So I bought this silicone cupcake muffin molders. It comes with like a 12-pack or something online. So we're gonna put it now. The mixture. My god, it's so hard. So this mixture is good for 5 muffins. 5 here, you will see. What I like doing is nilalagyan ko pa siya ng blueberries na toppings para since you blended some blueberries, so they have this blueberry flavor. I want to add this one, so when you bite this muffin, you have this crunch of the blueberry. Just drop like this, that. You see? Look at this strip. Oh my god. Just right in the middle. And one more. I like to sprinkle some sugar on top. So, you know, you will have this, yung malutong na texture sa taas. Yeah, this is it. Now I have to be careful because we will set it for there's like option here where you can bake, so you just put it on that bake. So that's 160 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes, but sometimes at 30 minutes it's already cooked, so you can just open and check if it's cooked or not. For now, I will be cleaning up my mess, so waiting. So while waiting for my muffins to cook, to bake, or whatever, I cook champurrado. So I don't know if other nationalities have this, but we Filipinos love this. So I will try one. We'll try it. Super hot. That's so good. Oh my god. So it's been 20 minutes now. And I'm checking because sometimes it's cooked at this time. It's actually cooked, but Luto na siya, pero since gusto natin yung may mas caramel sa taas, so iwan pa natin siya ng siguro at least 5 minutes. So, okay. 25 minutes na. So, I think pwede na siyang... Let's check. Oh, it's cooked already. Look. Oh, super hot. Careful sa air fryer kasi at this part, it's really, really hot. So, oh my God. Look, look. You see? I will remove them and put them on a plate and I will show you. Hot, hot. Shit. Here you go. But they're still on the silicone. Oh, can you see? They're still hot, so I don't know if so I don't know if I can remove. With this silicone, napaka-easy na lang i-remove. Like, you will twist and, shit, ang init pa kasi niya. Okay. This is the muffin that I made. Oh my gosh, look. Super hot pa niya. Super hot. As in. Okay guys, that's it for this video and I hope you guys liked it. This is my healthy muffin. Bake on an air fryer. So let's try if it's good. So hot pa niya kasi. I'm gonna be eating this by myself. So, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to like this video, share, and please subscribe to my channel.